What is information technology? Information technology is the use of computers, software, networks, and other technology to store, process, transmit, and retrieve data and information. It plays a crucial role in our daily life. Oh wow! Then what is computer? Computer is an electronic device that takes data, process the data in a form of program, and output the processed data. I see. Is the computer related to our daily life? Information and communication technology is the backbone of modern day. Besides of that, let's talk about the history of the information technology. Basic information technology starts with pre-mechanical to mechanical to electromechanical then electronic. So we are in the electronic era, right? You got it. Now we talk about the generations of electronic. The first generation of electronic is vacuum tubes. The information is sent by electric current. It was programmed with 6,000 multiposition electric switches. The programs and data were stored in separate memories, so that data entry and alteration were not a boring job. Besides of first-generation vacuum tubes, in 1955 until 1965, the era of the second-generation computer marked by the rise of transistors. This era not just hardware innovation, but a software revolution. High-level programming languages like ALGOL, COBOL, and Fortran freed programmers from machine-specific coding. Oh, I know that after 1965, the third general computer, integrated circuit evolutionized computing are making computers smaller, faster, and more flexible. Semiconductor memory took center stage as the main memory, enabling quicker access to information. Exactly. The fourth general computer, which from 1980 until now, very large-scale integration (VLC) technology allows the integration of hundreds, even millions, of transistors onto a single chip or microprocessor. This technology enables the creation of CPU, memory and other components in a single chip which can be produced massively in a cheap price. Component becomes smaller and cheaper lead to everybody could have a personal computer is known as PC. A Japanese to describe a smart computer which was built in the mid-1990s known as fifth general computer, and it involves artificial intelligence, expert system, and natural programming language. It focuses on connecting the computer to other computers to form parallel computation.
Today lecturer teach the sixth era of information technology. I am so confused, like I don't even know the first era.
I know, thought's the mainframe.
Oh, I am very curious about mainframe. Can you introduce about it?
This must start from the introduction of the IBM 1401 and 7090 transistorized machines in 1959 marked the beginning of widespread commercial use of mainframe computers. In 1965, the mainframe computer truly came into its own with the introduction of the IBM 360 series. Mainframe computers became powerful enough to support thousands of online remote terminals connected to the centralized mainframe using proprietary communication protocols and proprietary data lines.
Oh, I see. So, what is the introduction of personal computer and networking?
First, we need to talk about proliferation of PCs in the 1980s and early 1990s launched a spate of personal desktop productivity software tools such as word processors, spreadsheets, electronic presentation software, and small data management programs that were very valuable to both home and corporate users. These PCs were standalone systems until PC operating system software in the 1990s made it possible to link them into networks. Networking is the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common profession or other interest, usually in an informal social setting.
It sounds interesting. So, what is WWW?
WWW, which stands for World Wide Web, is a subset of the Internet. It is also known as W3 or Web. WWW refers to all the web pages or online content that is available on the Internet in HTML formatted manner. The web pages and documents available on the Internet are connected via hyperlinks. The information available on the web pages can be of various formats consisting of text, image, audio, and video. The WWW, or World Wide Web, was developed by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, European Library for Nuclear Research, in 1989.
So, may I know about how world's first website, Netscape's Navigator and Google Smart Search algorithm goes online?
The first ever URL was created on December 20th, 1990, and brought the world the first website. It only had plain text and basic HTML format weighing in at only 2.7 KB. In 1994, Netscape Communications developed the Navigator browser that incorporated graphics and text. The development of the web browser marked a change in the way people experienced the internet. And then, Google's smart search algorithm has been developed and it launched in 1998. Google's search engine had a straightforward interface, making it work a lot faster than its competitors. It was also the first search engine that used PageRank algorithm. It sounds insane, right?
Yeah. So, what is virtualization?
Virtualization enables the hardware resources of a single computer such as processors, memory, storage and more. It can be divided into multiple virtual computers, called virtual machines, VMS.
Then what is the last era of information technology?
It is mobile computing, for instance, lets us use small devices to connect wirelessly. It's incredible how it's become a part of our daily routine.
Oh, this one I remember. Can you believe the first cell phone call happened in 1973? Martin Cooper made history.
Wow, that's a long time ago. And in 2007, the iPhone came along, completely changing how we use the internet and our phones. It's like a mini computer in our pockets.
Plus, mobile payments made things so convenient, starting with Google Wallet in 2011. Carrying cash and cards seems so outdated now.
And those virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, they're like having a helpful friend at our beck and call. It's amazing how natural it feels to talk to our devices.
Right, and now, with cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, our world is more connected than ever before. It's like living in a sci-fi movie sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. Good afternoon. Last time lecturer asked about Internet of Things. I have no idea. Can you describe what the Internet of Things is? The Internet of Things, abbreviated as IoT, is a network of interconnected devices. I see. What makes these devices special? They're embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that enable them to exchange data and interact with other devices and systems. That's amazing. Can you give examples of IoT systems? Examples of IoT include smart homes, smart cities, and Industry Revolution 4.0. Awesome. I hope IoT becomes more widely used as time goes on. Now, can you describe what edge computing is? It is a decentralized computing infrastructure that brings compute resources closer to the end user. I see. What benefits does edge computing bring? Edge computing brings a reduced latency and increased computation efficiency to the end user. Loud and clear. It is an awesome infrastructure, that's for sure. What about the top technology trends of 2023? I would like to know more about them. In my opinion, their top 10 technology trends of 2023 are digital immune systems, applied observability, AI Trism, industry cloud platforms, platform engineering, wireless value realization, super apps, adaptive AI, metaverse, and sustainable technology. Noted. I will perform research on some of the technologies. Do these technologies have implications in the future? Of course. The use of emerging technologies opens up a lot of possibilities, such as revolution on how buildings are constructed and maintained, usages of autonomous vehicles, and smart traffic management systems. It also has possibilities in healthcare, such as personalized medicine, gene editing, and bioengineering. The possibilities are endless. I think jobs would be affected as well, no? Certainly. In 2025, software developer jobs will grow by 18.8%, while computer system analyst jobs will grow by 20.9%. We may also see a growth in medical technicians, physical therapists, workplace ergonomic experts, sales and marketing specialists, customer service representative, education and training jobs, accountant auditor, and much more. These jobs require skills in creativity, critical thinking, complex problem solving, people management, coordination with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, and service orientation. And astute observation. I look forward to seeing the jobs that will grow and emerge in the future.